Hello and welcome. This is the Casio F-91W and I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on this watch. First setting is done without entering the settings menu, and that is switching between your 12 or 24-hour time format by pressing the lower right button when your watch is in the standard timekeeping mode, or basically showing the time on the display. Next up, press the lower left button once, twice, three times. The seconds are flashing, which means that we are in the position of setting our watch or setting the time and date. First in row of settings is setting our seconds value. You cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset them by pressing this button over here, and it will go to 0. Next up, press the upper left button, and we have our hour value flashing. To shuffle it, press the lower right button, and you can switch your or change your time value in increments of 1, with each press of this button over here. Next up, press the upper left button, and we move on to setting our minutes value. Procedure is the same, but this time you can also press and hold it to engage fast rotation of your minutes value. Once you're done with your minutes, press the upper left button, and now we are setting our month value. Number 8 corresponds to month of August, but I can shuffle it by pressing the lower right button. Press the upper left one once you're done with your month value, and now I'm setting my day value. So with each press of the lower right button, whilst this value is flashing, you are changing your day value in increments of 1 to 31, depending on how many days your month has. Next up, press the upper left button, and now I'm setting my day of the week. Monday is flashing, so I can switch it by pressing the lower right button between days of the week. I'm gonna leave it at Monday. Next up, press the upper left button, and you are back at the beginning when the seconds are flashing, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting the time and date. What's left to do is to press the lower left button, watch beeps, and we have now implemented all of those settings that we have just ran through. With that, I've shown you how to set the time and date on the Casio F-91W. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. So thank you.